Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually use the Jungle Jam bonus in Monopoly Go. Now it's very easy. The thing which triggers the heads to spawn for you is actually, let me show it, the free parking, the go to jail on start, and when you're in the jail but you're not actually in jail. Now, and how to play it faster, simply the thing that you have to do is increase the multiplier, so set the multiplier by 3. So every time you hop on a card, on a place that triggers the bonus, you actually get 3 times the amount of heads, which will result in multiple bonuses. So that's it. If you still have any questions, leave them down in the comments, but most importantly, thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.